Ever found the perfect DIY, recipe, or inspirational video on Pinterest, only to realize there's no download button? As content creators and social media enthusiasts, we know that frustration. This tutorial will show you exactly how to save those valuable clips safely and easily, transforming your Pinterest experience. Pinterest is a goldmine for visual inspiration, but its lack of a direct download feature can be a hurdle. Whether you're curating mood boards, gathering content ideas, or saving a quick tutorial for offline use, downloading videos is essential. We'll empower you to capture that content. While Pinterest doesn't offer a native download, several reliable methods exist. You can use online downloaders, dedicated mobile apps for both Android and iPhone, or even browser extensions. Screen recording is always a last resort, but we have better solutions. Today, we'll focus on ClickPin, a straightforward and efficient online tool. It's perfect for quickly grabbing videos without needing to install extra software. Let's dive into the simple process. Here's how to get your Pinterest video in moments. First, open Pinterest, find your desired video, and copy its unique link. Look for the share icon to easily grab the URL. Next, navigate to clickpin.com in your web browser. This platform is designed for quick, hassle-free downloads. Finally, paste the copied link into ClickPin's input field, click download, and the video will save directly to your device's gallery. It's that simple. Always prioritize safety, avoid suspicious apps or ads. Use trusted tools like ClickPin and ensure your antivirus is active. Remember copyright, download for personal use only and never redistribute content without permission. ClickPin is a free tool for videos, images, and GIFs, requiring no registration. They state no data storage or activity tracking, processing downloads in real time. It supports HD and works across devices. While ClickPin is generally reliable, some users report occasional glitches. If a video plays instead of downloading, right-click the link and select Save Link As. For a direct save, ClickPin offers support for any issues. Now, you're equipped to save every inspiring recipe, tutorial, or DIY hack from Pinterest. Build your content library, create stunning mood boards, and keep your favorite ideas accessible anytime, anywhere. Right pointing finger emoji. If this tutorial helped you master Pinterest video downloads, please hit like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Share this video with fellow Pinterest users and content creators. Check the description below for extra resources and links. Start downloading smarter today.